So I just read about this new email verification protocol that's supposed to simplify how we verify email ownership. It's wild.
Really, simplifying email verification sounds great. How does it actually work?
Instead of sending a verification email, the protocol uses something called SDJWT plus KB tokens. The browser handles everything in the background.
Wait, so no more clicking links in emails. That's a game changer. But how does the browser know what to do?
Good question. When a user enters their email, the browser contacts an issuer that verifies the email without exposing any info about the app.
So the user stays on the same page. That removes a lot of friction, but does it really enhance privacy?
Exactly, the issuer doesn't know which app is making the request. It's like a privacy shield, it's so smart.
That's fascinating. But what happens if the issuer can't verify the email? Is there a backup plan?
Yeah, the issuer can return error codes if something's wrong, like invalid tokens or expired sessions. It's pretty thorough.
Okay, but wouldn't that still be complicated for some users? I mean, how do they know what's going on?
Totally valid point. The protocol could improve user experience by providing clear feedback, like showing when an email is verified.
That makes sense. And what about additional security measures? Like, could we use passkey authentication here?
Yes, that's actually part of the consideration. It could enhance security by using WebAuthn for identity verification.
Wow, so it's not just about verification, but also about securing the process. That's pretty smart.
Right, it combines convenience with security, but I do wonder about the implications for smaller mail domains.
Oh, for sure. They might struggle with the infrastructure needed for all this. What are some of the concerns?
Well, if a mail domain needs to manage a web server just for verification, that could be a huge hurdle.
Exactly. And what about domains that already have limited resources? They might not be able to adapt.
Exactly, it raises questions about accessibility for smaller players in the email space.
Plus, if the verification process becomes centralized, does that create new vulnerabilities?
Good point, centralized systems can be targets for attacks. Balancing security and accessibility is tricky.
So there's this trade-off between ease of use and wider implications for privacy and security.
Definitely, it's a complex issue, and the protocol needs careful consideration from all angles.
I think I get it now. But still, wouldn't it be better to keep the traditional email verification as a fallback?
That could be wise, maybe a hybrid approach where both methods coexist during the transition.
Yeah, that way users still have the option to verify through email if they prefer. It's all about choices.
Exactly, this protocol is exciting, but like any tech, we need to stay critical and aware.
For sure. So, what do you think is the next big hurdle for this protocol to overcome?
I think it will be getting widespread adoption from email providers and ensuring they're on board with the changes.
And they'll need to consider user education too. People need to understand how it works to trust it.
Absolutely, there's so much potential here, but we need to ensure users aren't left confused.
Right? And making sure the transition is smooth is crucial. We don't want to lose any users in the process.
Definitely, it's all about balancing innovation with user experience. That's the real challenge.
Well, I'm definitely intrigued. I can't wait to see how this develops in the coming months.
Me too, it's exciting to think about the future of email verification and user privacy.
Absolutely. But let's keep an eye out for those who might fall through the cracks.
Exactly, it's about making technology work for everyone, not just the majority.
Well said. This conversation has really opened my eyes to the complexities involved.
Same here, it's always fun to dive deep into these topics and explore the implications.
For sure. And who knows what other innovations are waiting around the corner.
Right? It's like a treasure hunt for ideas, makes you appreciate the journey of discovery.
Absolutely. Thanks for sharing this fascinating insight. I'm pumped to learn even more.
Anytime, let's keep the conversation going and dig into more cool topics together.